Wash Wood Test NY or Wash Wood Test NYC, right? This has been here with Pierre Driving School, covering a lesson again regarding a student asking, what is the Wash Wood Test? How does that work, right? The Wash Wood Test really, it's the driving school, some driving school, which we also do. Some driving school, they can get you a wood test faster when it gets backed up. Most likely, usually around summertime, when everyone scheduling wood tests, all right? Because DMV sometimes takes longer. It takes between 3 to 6 weeks to get you a wood test, and oftentimes when you finish doing lesson, you wanna do a wood test right away. Or let's say you've just take your wood test and for some reason you didn't make it, and you want to do another wood test, then you want to get you a wash wood test. Usually you may not be able to schedule that wood test yourself. A driving school has to assist you with that to get that wood test, and they charge an extra fee, a small fee on top of that. Some driving schools do, some don't. Of which at Pierre Driving School we do not. We make sure that we get you with us as soon as possible, because it is our duty. Once you're doing lesson with us, we make sure to get you with us as soon as your lesson package is over, or right after. If you finish taking a wood test, you fail, get you another wood test. We can definitely help you in that area to get your wood test as fast as possible. And it's just the only thing is that we can get it quicker. As a matter of fact, if you need any help to get your fast wood test or whatsoever, you can check pierrepauldraiving.com and let us know to get your wood test. We can get your wood test as soon as possible. The only thing that oftentimes we see is when the students said that they need the wood test right away, and we get them a wood test, and they're not ready to take the wood test because reason why? He said, oh, I didn't know if it was going to be that fast. When it comes to this, then that's when it might be a problem, because if it's that fast, then you didn't know that if it was going to get it that fast, then to go, it's really a problem. You know what I'm saying? So besides that, we definitely can help you when it's not that difficult to just do that wood test. All right, so we always do this thing here whenever there is any circumstances, like I said, around summertime, when it's a lot of traffic, to do that you may not be able to do it. Anything with driving related you want us to cover, which you put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our lesson, most of our topic coming from. Okay, from the thing that you guys want us to do. Let's make a left turn here. Mirror left, shoulder left. That is where most of our topic coming from. All right, so I don't know if I answered that question for you guys clear enough. If there's any confusion, you do not get you don't get what I was saying regarding the Wash Wood Test NY, let me know in the comment below. I can definitely give you clarity on that. Okay, we've always shared some tips right after I finish answering a question. Let's share a few more lessons right here as we going over. Speed bump, we slow down. Make sure that I see the light is blinking next door. On the next thing, we're gonna go within our speed. You see the human across. We're still not going fast. We're not in anybody's way. Always, guys, expected, unexpected. You see how this guy we're crossing in, and the light is in our favor. Green lights. They all keep driving. It's just here. It's just Brooklyn, you know. Yes. What can we say? Yes, we see a car park on the left side. We're gonna signal to the right. Check mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it over. Mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it over. Okay. We're making a right turn at this traffic light here. All right. Yes. The question for today was Wash Wood Test NYC. Mirror right, shoulder right. Are the humans gonna come? Okay. Are the humans coming? Okay, they're coming. We stop, let them clear all the way. Here come. Them clear all the way. Okay, we verify the shoulders. All right, and continue to turn, folks. It ain't no rush. It ain't no rush. All right? Washing really gonna take you nowhere. All right, so that's for the topic for today was Wash Wood Test NY, of which we cover here at Pierre Driving School. And anything with driving related you want us to help you with, check out pierrepauldraiving.com. And in this channel, we have everything driving school. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, by the way, you can do that and hit the notification squad, because each time we drop a video, you will be the first one to be notified. Signal the left, mirror left, shoulder left to go around. You'll be the first one to be notified, okay? Signal left again. gonna make your left turn here. We're gonna make the left turn and fall where? To the closest left lane. Check the shoulder to the closest left lane. And then when we're done what we do, we signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, and go over. Why is that? Student must always be where? On the right side of the road. All right, that's where student must always be. Guess where we're gonna always be? On the right side of the road. Why? Because we're doing a road lesson. As you're driving in the street, always have to pay attention as if you were doing a road lesson to road test after you got your license. However, then you can drive however you right. Right turn at the corner here, mirror right, shoulder right. At the traffic light here, we're making another right turn. All right, guys, this was a series of the right turn. Topic for the day was Wash Road Test NYC. Yes, Pierre Paul Driving School can help you with this. And this channel is all about driving, everything driving. All right, we're making a right turn here. We're blacking up this side here. We're gonna do mirror right, shoulder right to clear the right turn, as we're supposed to. Always what? Check for your blind spot whenever you are turning, whenever you're doing anything contrary to going straight. Many people get this confused. We're gonna keep saying it. As you guys keep watching it, keep hearing me saying it, at some point it's gonna stick in your mind. When you go for your road test, you're gonna deliver at this level. And please, if you've not yet done your road test, let me know that if you have any road test coming up, and where would that be? If you think your road test ready, check out Pierre Paul Driving School / mock test. You take a mock road test. We'll let you know definitely at what standard are you at. Are you ready for the road test? Because in the end is what? Are you road test ready? Okay. With that said, we're gonna continue to go. Ben here with Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye. Well, I was just pulling here. That's the New York pulling over. Where you park your car, make sure that you fit within that gap. Otherwise, car will be all over you. Those are the things that we don't need. Until then, keep practicing. It's been with Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care now, folks.